You are now watching Doorbell News.
A family is seen on doorbell camera trying to catch a turkey.
It's a rat, baby. He's a sweet little boy. He ain't more. It's okay. Okay. He's a poor boy.
Buffalo, New York. Can't even leave your mom's wheelchair outside anymore. Check her out. Las Vegas, Nevada. So a man comes into an art gallery and it says he wants to buy some art, but as soon as the worker turns her back around, he goes and snags her credit card out of her wallet. Oakland, California. Check out this bootleg Bob Marley. Can't even leave chairs on your porch anymore. Check her out. What's that stuff on her face? Gilbert, Arizona.
3, 2, 1.
Las Vegas, Nevada. Looks like we got a pumpkin smasher here. Peachtree Corners, Georgia. Better grab those packages ASAP. Can't even leave your motorcycle outside anymore. This guy tries to roll off with somebody's motorcycle. San Rafael, California. A doorbell camera caught this lady uprooting her neighbor's plants. How petty. Fontana, California.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Minneapolis, Minnesota. Looks like we got another doorknob wiggler here. That's why you need a cab masker. Fullerton, California. Columbus, Ohio. Check her out. Look at that fake knock.
Hello?
Get lost!
Hello?
Chandler, Arizona. Sounds like he caused a lot of damage to that garage, and I don't see what's so funny about it. Meanwhile in Oakland, bootleg Bob Marley is back. Hey, man, leave my table alone, man. Looks like a doorknob wiggler here. Austin, Texas. Can't even have Halloween decorations. Minneapolis, Minnesota. Again, can't even leave your motorcycle outside anymore. New Orleans, Louisiana. A porch pirate tries to ride off on his bike with a big package. Ah, that's what you get. Too bad that pillar was in the way. Why do they always have that Kool-Aid red hair? What's this guy want? What's he smelling on his fingers? Yeah, another bike thief. A grown man taking someone's bike. How petty. Another Kool-Aid red-haired porch pirate. How petty. How petty. How petty. This guy takes somebody's Uber Eats off their porch, then runs off. Anaheim, California. Check this guy out. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
Hi, do you need help with something?
I forgot the code.
I need you to leave the property right now, or I'm going to call Anaheim Police Department. I need you to leave the property immediately.
This is your property?
Yes, this is. We live in the property. I need you to leave right now, please. Do not come back on the property.
Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.